Well, a lot of us think that it's just a daily wear, so why spend more? Or it's a night wear, so this will work. And that mindset is exactly why our wardrobe fill up with pieces that don't last, don't feel good, or don't get worn. And I personally stopped buying like that because buying something and not wearing it is the most expensive mistake and not the price tag. So let's fix how we buy and not how much we buy today. You can use a very simple framework. Categorize your clothes into three buckets: core life, supporting, and event only. The first category, these are the clothes that you actually wear at least twice a week. So they are part of your weekly rotation. Daily wear pants, top, kurtas, active wear. These deserve maximum quality and budget because you spend most of your daily hours in them. The rule is simple. If it won't comfortably survive multiple weekly use, it's not worth buying. Category 2. These are the clothes you do wear, but they are not part of your weekly rhythm, like some dresses or sari, and seasonal layers like light jackets. So you must buy these very selectively. If you can't see yourself wearing it at least 6 to 7 times over its lifetime, please don't buy it. Category 3. Event only. These are pieces that are never worn or maybe sometimes in several years. Best option is either borrow it, rent it, or just simply rewear what you already have. Because if a piece does not justify storage space, definitely does not deserve a purchase. Step 2. Think monthly and not just the price tag. A 3000 rupees linen pant used 4 times in a month would cost you 750 per month, whereas the 5000 sari worn once is actually 5000 per month for you. So the real cost is how often you wear it and not the product's upfront price. Step 3. The fabric math. I naturally gravitate towards linen and cotton because they're extremely breathable, comfortable, and they last longer. But here's the thing that most people miss, which is composition. 75 to 80% cotton blended clothes are actually optimal for daily use. 100% cotton can be very crisp and it's impractical for daily use. Less than 50% cotton plus polyester is basically synthetic and should be completely avoided for regular use. The last step, color. Color is such a silent money saver. Neutral and richer shades like white, beige, brown, muted greens just work better. They mix well easily, so you need fewer pieces, and when you repeat them more, your per wear cost automatically drops. Now, some women will say, listen, I don't want to think so much before buying. I earn, so I can at least spend freely. Well, of course, you earn and you work very hard. And that's precisely why you should not only think twice but thrice. Because the objective here is not to spend without thinking, it's actually to spend without any regrets.